these cucumbers have been hit pretty hard by the striped cucumber beetle, and it's not so much a problem that they eat the leaves, but they spread this disease, this wilt, and it slowly kills the cucumber essentially from the top down. So I've got this one that's messed up, this one that's messed up, and I need to lower my cherry tomatoes. Before I do that, I want to see if I can salvage some of the cucumber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, probably okay to eat at this point. Take this cucumber off, harvest a couple more from some of these other ones, and then I'm going to cut back the cucumber to some place where I think it's as disease-free as possible. I don't know if that's going to work because the disease theoretically will just keep spreading, but I'm going to try it, and then I'm going to lower the tomatoes. So first I need to harvest all the cucumbers, and then I'll come back and trim these and re-trellis them. Done those three, and like I said, I don't know if that'll work. Trimmed them back to healthier growth. This one though is totally done. Can't find anything on here that I think is even worth saving. So I'm going to reclaim this tomato clip. Because it's still good. A lot of times they'll break and wear down, but still good. And then I'm actually going to cut the cucumber off at the base. Being careful not to cut my drip tape. You always have to remember that it's there when you're pruning down by the ground. And then I'm actually just going to strip this cucumber right down off of this twine. And then I'm going to take this twine off and reuse it over here because I have a bean plant that sprouted late, and I trained it up onto this tomato plant, but I'd much rather have it on its own string. So I'm going to take care of that now, and then I will be done trellising and pruning in the hoop house, and it looks pretty good compared to how it looked yesterday. Got all those on the side trained up to the ropes on the hoops. I can walk down here no problem now. Same thing here, nothing on the ground. One cucumber down there, and the peppers are gonna be like that. That's all. I'm not gonna spend a lot more time on those. I didn't get to trellis them. There's always next year. But I pulled 3 of these out, 3 of those full of tomato cuttings. So that's 75 gallons of biomass that went right on the compost over there. So that's good. Last thing I need to do is take care of that string. Then I'm going to water the seedlings. Got to bring some spinach out here that I planted last night or yesterday, and then I'm going to come back out here with a bowl and harvest, because we're going to go to camp. I want to bring some tomatoes and cucumbers to share, maybe some peppers. I've got a little 2-year-old niece who loves peppers, so bring those down for her.